Check this out, party people. I'm in the garage. Look, it's so windy. It's opening the door. Look at it. I'm like, I was gonna walk over here to walk. It's so windy. Oh shit! Holy crap, people! There's no way, dudes. That's crazy. I was about to walk to Walgreens. I gotta catch my bus in about. It's like 5 after 5. I gotta catch my bus at quarter after, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm probably gonna get drenched. Holy Toledo. Check it out. It is coming down, dudes. It is coming down. Holy Toledo. This is some rain now. Hey, we're definitely doing it today, huh? Look at the flag. Look how windy it is. Look how windy it is. I noticed that before I came out. There's one on top of the crew tower that was really, really whipping it. I figured something's coming for sure. Sure enough, here we are, people. Nice. Rain that you can't even look. You can't even use your umbrella. It's so bad. It's so bad.